Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Crain Tools is probably one of the most versatile and essential tool sets for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering a comprehensive range of specialized instruments designed to enhance precision, efficiency, and overall quality in various trades such as flooring, roofing, and many others. In this video, we will delve into the features, benefits, and considerations for choosing the right Crain tools to elevate your projects. Number 5. Crain Knucklehead Pull Bar. This heavy-duty pull bar is built to last. Its unique design makes it perfect for various flooring types. It's made from 3/16-inch heavy-gauge steel for superior strength and durability. You can trust it for years to come. The boxed knuckle shape provides a comfortable and effective grip. It's designed for optimal leverage and control. Felt pads on the underside protect your floors from scratches. It's designed to prevent damage to your surfaces. With its 3-inch width and 14.12-inch length, it provides ample working room, especially near walls. It's perfect for various tasks. It's safe to use on hardwood, laminate, and vinyl plank flooring. It's versatile and adaptable to different home environments. What we like. It's made of heavy-gauge steel, so it's very strong and durable. The felt pads protect your floors from scratches. If you need a sturdy pull bar for various flooring types, this is the one for you. What people say. This knucklehead will last long after I'm gone. Pros: super strong, super durable, heavy duty, great pull lip, and hammer head. This is a strong, sturdy bar you help you tap in those floorboards that need a little extra effort. One good tap with this bar and the hole would row when until alignment perfectly. The bar has felt tabs on the bottom to protect your boards. This pull bar is far superior to most of them available, especially at the big box stores. The D shape that you hit is far more solid and allows you to move entire rows of flooring to close gaps. This one is longer as well, allowing an easier and heavier hammer strike to move flooring. Number 4. Crain 78-673 Wood Cutter. This is the Crain 78-673 wood cutter, perfect for various woodworking tasks. Its design makes it easy to use and maneuver. It's ideal for cutting laminate, engineered wood, and softer solid materials. You'll get clean, precise cuts every time. The movable fence allows for diagonal cuts and provides a guide for accurate repeat cuts. This ensures consistency and precision in your work. Convenient wheels allow you to easily move it from a kneeling position. This makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. It includes a sharpening stone to keep the blade sharp. This ensures long-lasting performance and clean cuts. This listing is for one cutter. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. Its movable fence lets you make both straight and angled cuts with precision. The wheels make it easy to move around. If you're looking for accuracy and ease of use when cutting wood, this tool is perfect for you. What people say. It made nice clean cuts with no dust, and you can use it in a room you're working in, unlike the laminate saw we were using where cutting had to be done outside wearing a dust mask. I cut a piece of laminate stair treads no problem. It eliminates carrying my 53-pound DeWalt chopper, setting it up on the DW stand, etc. No more helpers cutting the line off. Number 3. Crain 855 Carpet Wood Miter. This is the Crain 855 Carpet Wood Miter. It's designed for fast and efficient cutting. It makes quick work of 45-degree cuts in quarter-round molding. You'll save time and effort on every project. It features a sharp, heavy-duty blade that's easily replaceable. This ensures long-lasting performance and precision cuts. The comfortable, black handle provides a secure grip. This makes it easy to control and maneuver during use. This tool delivers precise cuts every time. It's perfect for both carpet and wood applications. Experience the difference with the Crain 855. It's the perfect tool for your next project. What we like. It makes quick work of 45-degree cuts in quarter rounds. It features a sharp, replaceable blade for long-lasting performance. If you need to make many 45 degrees cuts quickly, this is your best option. What people say. Saves a ton of time from getting up and going back and forth to the saw when doing base shoe quarter round. They cut pine quarter round just as good as the trim saw and without launching the little sub 2-inch pieces from the saw. This does a great job of cutting 3/4 quarter round trim for my baseboard to floor joints. It's very easy to use and cut the trim at the needed angles using the angle scale on the cutter. The very sharp blade makes a much cleaner cut than even a fine-tooth saw. Number 2. Crain 855 Cutter. This is the Crain 855 quarter round and shoe mold cutter, your new solution for fast and precise cuts. It makes quick work of angled cuts in wood quarter round. You'll save time and effort on every project. Easily adjust it to cut at straight, 22.5 degrees, or 45 degrees angles. The gauge ensures accuracy every time. The blade is replaceable, extending its lifespan. Replacement blades are readily available, number 856. At only 14 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. See how effortlessly it handles various cuts. It's the perfect tool for any woodworking project. What we like. This cutter allows for precise cuts at various angles. The replaceable blade ensures a long lifespan. If you need versatility in cutting quarter rounds and shoe mold, this tool is a must-have. What people say. Easy to use, fits to my hand and as sharp as all get out. Seriously, this tool is a must-have when trimming out with quarter round or shoe molding. Saves so much time being able to make cuts in the work zone. The Crain version makes much better cuts than cheaper big box store versions. Number 1. Crain 856 Replacement Blade. This is the perfect replacement blade for your Crain 855 wood miter saw. It's designed for precision cuts and long-lasting performance. Experience smooth, accurate cuts every time with this high-quality blade. It's made from durable materials to withstand demanding tasks. Replacing your old blade is quick and simple. It's designed for easy installation, minimizing downtime. This blade is engineered for precision, ensuring clean and accurate cuts in wood. It's built to the highest standards for quality and performance. Keep your Crain 855 wood miter saw running smoothly with this reliable replacement blade. It's a cost-effective way to maintain peak performance. Upgrade your saw with this superior replacement blade and experience the difference. It's the ideal choice for maintaining your saw's accuracy and efficiency. What we like. It's a simple replacement blade for your existing tool. Installation is straightforward. If you need to replace a worn-out blade, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The original blade did hundreds of cuts, the junk blade did maybe a dozen cuts before failing, so I bought this replacement and it's back to cutting smooth, clean cuts. It definitely improved the performance of my cutters. Excellent manufacture, excellent quality, excellent performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.